Why can you use filtration to separate mixtures but not compounds? Here's a flash revision guide on separating mixtures with filtration. So mixtures are similar to compounds, but they have one big difference. They still consist of two or more elements, however, the elements are not chemically combined. This means the substances in the mixture retain their chemical properties. Another difference between the two is that the mixtures can be easily separated using physical processes, whereas compounds cannot. Only a reaction can separate a compound. These different types of physical separation techniques include filtration, evaporation, crystallization, simple distillation, fractional distillation, and chromatography. So filtration involves separating an insoluble solid from a liquid. Insoluble just means it doesn't dissolve in the liquid, and an example of this is sand and water. The apparatus you'll need for this is a conical flask, a funnel, and a piece of filter paper. The filter paper is like a sieve, and it's filled with loads of tiny holes that only allow small particles such as water through. So you place the funnel on the conical flask and roll up the filter paper and place that on top. Now if you pour the sand and water mixture into the filter paper, only the water particles will pass through the tiny holes as they're small enough, whereas the larger sand particles remain on the paper and won't go through. You end up with water in the conical flask and sand on the filter paper.